The dreaded oil and oil filter changes for your car. When do you do it? You gotta ask yourself, what kind of driver are you? You're a normal driver if your drive is pretty typical and doesn't involve any heavy traffic. Or perhaps you occasionally hit high speeds on the highway. You use conventional motor oil and change your oil at the traditional intervals. That's usually at about 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Our PRO-TEC filter is perfect for you. You're a severe driver if you drive in the city with stop-and-go traffic or through dirty and dusty conditions. Do you idle in the carpool line waiting for your kids? You use synthetic or blended motor oils and change your oil at the OE manufacturer intervals, which is typically 3,750 to 10,000 miles, not exceeding 12 months. Our WIX filter is perfect for you. Or maybe, just maybe, you're an extreme driver if you tow boats, flatbeds, campers, or any other heavy equipment, or drive in extreme temperature conditions. Or do you wait for your dashboard oil indicator light to come on? You use synthetic motor oil and change your oil at OE manufacturer intervals, typically 3,750 to 10,000 miles, not to exceed 12 months. Our XP filter is perfect for you. Well, what kind of driver are you? To find the right filter, go to howyouDrive.com.